Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MyWallSt detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the installation of MyWallSt, ensure your device is connected to the internet. Locate the App Store on your device if you are using iOS. If you are using Android, head to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type MyWallSt. Press enter or tap the search icon to initiate the search. Once the search results appear, find the MyWallSt app. Tap on the app to view more details. On the app page, you will see an option to install. For iOS users, tap the Get button. For Android users, tap the Install button. The app will begin to download and install on your device. Once installation is complete, you will see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the MyWallSt app. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you're a new user, look for the option to sign up. Follow the prompts to create your account. You may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from MyWallSt. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the MyWallSt app. Log in with your new credentials. Take a moment to explore the app interface. Familiarize yourself with the features and tools available. You are now ready to start investing with MyWallSt. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.